Check this out. This is what I remember from high school. Ladies. Wait now.
Say it's mine.
No, it's mine.
Mine.
It's mine.
It's his.
It's mine. I bet he doesn't even remember what it is anymore.
Alright, so we're having a discussion. Where's the tree? No, look, bud. Where's the tree? Show me the tree. No, the tree. No, the tree. Tree. Where's the tree? Hi. Slime fam, we have a mini adventure going on. I got the slime out in the daylight for an adventure. She wants to go to find a comic book. So we're gonna go to a comic book store and see what we can find.
Is that the name of it?
It's called Heroes or something Heroes. Okay, so we're on our way to Heroes Aren't Hard to Find. But yeah, Slime wanted hotcakes from McDonald's. So we're gonna run through the drive-through real quick at McDonald's and
Can I
get some
small fry and
hotcakes and small fry. What a combo.
Water.
And water.
Alright, fun fact. My first meal of 2018 was at McDonald's.
Fun fact.
Welcome to McDonald's. How can I help you?
I would like a 3-piece hotcake, no sausage, a medium fry, a small cup of water, and a large tea, half sweet, half unsweet. The tea's for me.
Welcome to McDonald's. Can you repeat that, sir?
Do you speak any English?
They wanted hotcakes, no sausage, a medium.
So you only want hot cake?
Yeah. A medium fry, a small cup of water, and a large tea, half sweet, half unsweet. The tea's for me still. That's it. All right, well, I have bad news. It looks like the store is closed. There is nothing in there but empty space. Heroes Aren't Hard to Find was kind of a story because they are very hard to find because they don't exist, at least not at that location. So we're gonna try Rebel Base Comics, which is about 5 or 10 minutes away. So we'll see if we can find some comics there.
I need the comics. It's in my blood.
It's in her blood. Great Clips Comics and Toys. I'm pretty sure Great Clips is the barbershop and Comic and Toys is a comic shop, but
We're going down.
go down.
This is super sus, but it's good.
Alright, got a lot of people out in the hallway down here, so let's see what we got. Alright, so Teen Titans and Super Sons. Which one are you gonna go for?
Probably Teen Titans.
Alright, well, let's start with one and we'll go from there.
Yeah, I'm trying to look for like the first one. Actually, you know what?
What?
I don't know.
Alright, so back out the comic store up into the light. Super Sons number 13.
And no matter what was going on, the ice cream man came to stop it. Ice cream! is coming! The ice cream man is coming!
All right, so sometimes I do my remote not detected in the car thing. I don't know if you want to call it a joke or a skit, but today I got to the YMCA and I pushed it. If you don't have the remote, you can hit the brake and start it. So I hit it and then I shut it off. And then I realized I really don't have the key. So it's raining and it's cold, but I'm walking home in the rain to get my key. And then I'll come back, probably walk back. I was thinking about taking an Uber, but I've never done Uber before and I didn't get my walk-in this morning, so here we go. All right, so I was running for a little bit. Now I'm walking again, and raining may be a bit of an exaggeration, but not really. I mean, it's not raining hard, but it's a nice steady drizzle. I don't know what the temperature is, but I guess it's in the mid to upper 40s. Yeah, so you can see the condensation. So it is chilly. Not making that up. I'm at Sharon Road in Ayrshire, and I can see Park Road up the ways a little bit. I guess the most daunting proposition is that once I get home and get my key, I'm just halfway there. I gotta come all the way back. So probably grab another sweatshirt or something when I get there too, because not really cold, but not really warm either. All right, well, I made it to Park Road, and like I said, I still got a little ways to go. Actually, quite a ways. Actually, let me GPS it. That's exactly how far I gotta go. Haha, 4 minutes to get home. Maybe if I was in my car, so let's see how it changes to walk. 30 minutes. My goodness, it's 7:04. 30 minutes. Gracious. It's not gonna take me 30 minutes, maybe 20, but I'll have to cut that time down right now. 7:27. I've only saved about 3 minutes off of the ETA, so been running and walking, and probably should be, if I were running more, I'd have already been there, but gotta save some reserves for the round trip back. About to be attacked by a vicious dog. No, but I've been walking for the last couple minutes, and I look down and it's 7:20. So I'm kind of disappointed. I could have made it in 20 minutes like I said. So it is I've got 2/10 of a mile to go, and it's 7:21. So I'm gonna run the rest of the way and get there and get my key. If I can survive these dogs. Arg. Home. Made it. Now, what time? 7:23. All right, so get my key and see how long it takes me to get back to my car. So there are my keys today. My money, my debit card, the Call of the Wild. Almost needed that today with those wild dogs chasing me. All right, so I'm gonna relax for a minute. I don't know if relax is the right word, but I'm gonna rest for a minute and prepare for my round trip. Had my hat in the car, so saved me a little bit from my head getting wet. Never worn this hat before. Gabby had it on the other day for her funny, what was it, Spirit Day or funny dressed or whatever. So it happened to be in the car, so thank you, Miss Gabby. So my head's not wet and not terribly wet. It was a drizzle more than a rain, so probably throw on another sweatshirt and head back. I'm actually kind of fortunate because I didn't walk this morning like I planned to. So I said I was going to start walking brisker. So I had quite a brisk walk with some running mixed in, so worked out okay. So not what I planned, but get the makeup for missing this morning and get back in this routine where hopefully if I have to make this trip again, I can do it much quicker. Hey there.
Hey.
Pull that seat up. All right.
Do I need to pull up?
No, I'm fine. I'll make sure I got my key. Let me get that key. Okay.